To get a bigger selfie video size while doing screen recording on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Scroll down the screen. Under screen recording section, swipe the adjustment bar of the selfie video size to the right to get a bigger selfie video size while doing screen recording. The more you slide the bar to the right, the bigger the selfie video size will be. As the example, we will set it to the bigger size by sliding the bar to the right mouse. To see the result, do screen recording. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap screen recorder icon. Next, tap start recording to start recording. Now tap the person icon at the screen recording bar to enable selfie video. You can see that you are now having the biggest selfie video size possible while doing screen recording. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.